Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. I am Farjan Akhtar Munmun, assistant teacher of English. I am going to take English literature class of class 4, and today our topic is true false, and this is our revision class. Now let's start. I think you have learned and read all the stories from your literature book. So our true false will come from these stories you have in your literature book. We have some stories like The Footprint from Daniel Defoe's, The Wisdom of Solomon, The Country Childhood, The Two Brothers, Friends of the Rainforest. We have some sentences from where you will have to find out the true or false. All these sentences come from your literature book's stories. Now we will have to find out whether this sentence is true or false. At first, number 1, Robinson Crusoe lived on the island for about 28 years. From the story of Robinson Crusoe, that means The Footprint, and we have the hero Robinson Crusoe. We know he was a 18 years old young boy who had faced a shipwreck, and after this wreck he escaped in an alone island, and there he lived for 28 years. I think you have learned in the story that from the age of 18 he lived there 28 years. That means 28 years our main point in the sentence. So we can say the sentence is Robinson Crusoe lived on the island for about 28 years is true. You can write here true. That means our sentence is true. Number B, his life on the island was full of adventure. From the story we have learned that his life on the island was full of adventure because he managed to build a house there, he grew crops, he helped some animals to become, and this is how he make an adventurous life on the island. So we can say his life on the island was full of adventure. That means it's also true. Then number C, once evening Robinson Crusoe was going to the canoe. Here we'll have to know the meaning of canoe. Canoe is a small boat, and Robinson Crusoe was made this canoe for going another land, and our main point is here evening, the word evening. Once evening Robinson Crusoe was going to the canoe, but from the story we know it was not evening, it was morning. Once morning Robinson Crusoe was going to the canoe. That means our answer will be false. Then number D, Nelson Mandela was a South Asian leader. This is our another story about Nelson Mandela, a country childhood. So I think you already know about Nelson Mandela. He is a famous leader of the world, and here our main point is here South Asian. Nelson Mandela was a South Asian leader. No, it's totally wrong. He was a South African leader. From our story we know he was a South African leader. That means our answer is here false. Nelson Mandela was a South African leader. Number E, one day 3 women came before King Solomon. This is our another story, The Wisdom of Solomon. He was a famous king, and he has special gift of wisdom, and many people came to him for his wisdom and for judgment in his court. So we know people from all over. One day 3 women came before King Solomon. Here you'll have to see the word 3. From our story you have learned there were not 3 women, there were only 2 women came before King Solomon. That means one day 2 women came before King Solomon. So our sentence is false. The answer will be one day 2 women, not 3 women. Number F. People from all over the world admired King Solomon. People from all over the world admired King Solomon. From our story we know he was very famous for his wisdom, and people admired him. Not only his country, from all over the world, every people admired him for his wisdom and honesty. So we can see our sentence is true. People from all over the world admired King Solomon. This is true. When the child, number G, when the child died, all the family members were present. This line is from King Solomon's story, when the child died. That means in this story we have seen 2 women are claiming for a baby, a child. They both of them claiming that this child is her. But when an incident happened, that means one child was died and another child was alive, there were no members, only these 2 ladies were present there. That means all the family members were present is totally wrong. Only 2 women were present there. When the child died, only 2 women were present there. That means our sentence is here false. Nobody saw this incident, only the 2 women have seen this. Number H, the 2 women lived in neighboring country. From the story we know the 2 women lived in one place. That means in one house they lived together. That means neighboring country is totally false. These 2 words indicating that neighboring country, they did not live in neighboring country, they lived in one house. The 2 women lived in one house. That means this sentence is also false. Then number I. The king realized that the first woman was the real mother of the child. The king, that means King Solomon, realized when these 2 women came to him and they were claiming for the child, he ordered his guard to cut this child into 2 parts and divide this between these 2 women. But the first woman cried out and told the king that don't need to cut the child, gave the child to the second woman. Then the king realized that the first woman was the real mother of the child. That means this is true. Number J. These lines comes from our another story, Friends of the Rainforest. That means this is about hornbills, one kind of bird. Number J. Hornbills do not have a lining of feathers under their wings. From the story we have seen the description of the hornbills, and we have seen there are the feathers. They have the feathers not like other birds. They don't have lining feathers. That means a layer of feathers under their wings. This is why a roaring of sound came when they are flying. That means hornbills do not have a lining of feathers under their wings is true. Number K, there are 64 different types of hornbills in the world. From the story we know 64 is totally incorrect. There are 54 different types of hornbills in the world. That means this is false. Nelson Mandela describes his childhood days spent at the village of Kono. From the story of Nelson Mandela, we know Nelson Mandela describes his childhood where he lived. This village name is Kono. That means this is true. So this is our true and false. These are our true and false from A to L. You will have to do all the SW and you will have to submit this on Sunday. Do it correctly and write the answer correctly. This is all for today. Submit your SW on Sunday. Be happy and stay home. Allah Hafiz.